Okay, I was on mute the whole time. Didn't realize. Um, I called on within my chat, Texas Heist, that we will be expecting this level here to deliver shorts and ideally to take us below here and potentially below here. So I'm really measuring this range from high to low. Above 50% is here, obviously. So what is above 50%? This level here. Obviously have something up here. I don't think 9:30 will give us a pop. I mean, the 10 o'clock news will give us an aggressive pop higher, but I think this level here, which let me highlight it a little further. It's all we need for prices over lower. On that 15-minute chart. Again, this pool liquidity exists here because yesterday, this is still yesterday's low. I know we ran through it overnight, right? We ran through overnight, but if you could just ignore it for a second, this. So 9:30 open right here in the red. Visibility. Let's change visibility to current interval and below. So the red knew the opening gap below, so we opened today, and we actually closed yesterday over here. So these lows were ran out yesterday. I mean, overnight, and not during regular trading hours. So I like how we teased them here with this little drop here. We kind of teased going back to the lows. We did not get that yet. And just because it ran them overnight does not mean we won't run them again. I think we should run this during regular trading hours as well. I'm expecting some lower prices here, but we're going to wait for news to give us something. If I'm being real, I do like the prospect of just shorting in this balanced range here. I'll be patient for that news drop. Keep our hand on the trigger. Go 5 contracts. Again, I'm just price reading because everything's gonna be done on a demo account. Reading price. And it's not financial advice, just me reading price, pressing buttons. Okay, disclaimer. I'm gonna tell you, I have a neighbor above me. Their child is wilding in an apartment. So for some reason, neighbor above their kid. I mean, something's wrong with them, unfortunately, but they are jumping up and down on the ceiling. I can hear it. It's like doom, 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 doom. Relax, man. Relax. No, is it a crime to want to relax? Lord Jesus Christ, for the day. Lord, thank you, Lord. All right, so we're pushing again. That's why I don't want to trade. Ideally, 10 o'clock. If 10 o'clock can close below this 1 hour level, I'll love it. I'll love it for a potential short. I'm going ahead, like 46 points. Mhm. Probably just gonna deliver aggressively lower on Nasdaq. Like it's already showed its hand in my opinion. I don't see price trading. This is the balance range. I think it's going to trade lower right at news. Right at news. So watch this. It's going to short already. But I'm expecting a quick little pop and then drop again. It might be a straight drop. That's why I got it there. Yeah, straight drop. I don't think it needs to go higher again. If it does, then it'll probably just be a quick sweep above here. And I'll just engage on the shorts if it wants to go higher. But I think we should just drop from here. There's like a 77% probability we don't make this a run back here. But if we do, I would like that to be a turtle suit. Oh, targets. I think again, if we are to get something, I would like to see down here be the target. And the reason why I wouldn't mind if this goes higher, like I want to see that happen. The reason why I'll stick to shorts is we'd even come back to sweep these lows here that aren't regular trading hours. So, let's take a look. All right, we have some nice lows here. Yeah, we have some nice liquidity risk below here. So they want to do one, they might just run above here quickly if they really want to. And then I'll still expect the price to drop as long as we stay below these last two down close candles here, which I'll consider as breakers. Meantime, let's focus on the trade at hand though. See if I'm early to the party. If I'm early to the party, I'll just take another swing at it. If it gives opportunity. I'm only gonna take 2 swings today. So it's the first one. And if the next one doesn't hit, then that's it for me. I'm not gonna do too much today. With the speed this is trading with, this could easily. I think it's gonna run these highs here. If it does, we might just tap here, and I'm still looking for shorts. But with this speed right here, these highs look like they're in jeopardy unless we immediately reject in the next 30 seconds on this 5-minute candle to the left. Yeah, the way we closed here, this is likely to run higher. Not a fan of that close. Not a fan of that close at all. It closed. It ran right above here, so these highs are definitely in jeopardy. Strong likelihood they get snatched. Shorts would even be more enticing. Let's just say we do run higher first. If we don't see US 30 reciprocated energy or S&P. If that's not reciprocated, then I'll really be enticed with shorts still. You know, so I'm not moving my stop. I'm setting the risk. So if it knocks me out, knocks me out. I don't want to micromanage this trade because the yellow level is still 1 hour level. And that could decide the whole price as well. So I'll put a stop loss in the appropriate place where if it's gonna knock me out, then the stop loss do its job. If I'm a bull, I like this 1 hour level here. I mean 1 minute level here. Push price. If I'm a bear, which I am. I would like to see us overlap this 1 minute level. So what I'm gonna do for a second is this. Visibility. I'm a bull. I would like to see support here. Now this whole candle here, even see this last down close candles, I'll be watching this as a potential order block. Being booked. If we can get below these 2 down close candles here, then that will set us up for shorts. But there's tripping. Okay, I like how we use this level as an inverse, but I need to see more momentum. It's not good enough yet for me to feel confident about the shorts, at least on a 1 minute time frame. There we go. Now look at it. It's about to pop higher. So let's see. So now 1 minute order block dance. Once we overcome that, then probably be a little early at the cells. And it's gonna run out of liquidity above. This is what I'm watching. These down close candles here. These are the last two. That's acting as a bullish order block. That will push price higher. So to overcome that, I'm not a fan of the shorts from a lower time frame perspective. I need to get below those candles. If not, see a pop higher. Mouse. These highs look like they can get hit. And then I'll be watching. What do we do if we do run higher? What do we do when we get up here? That'll be the next level I'll be watching. I can still just run these highs briefly and then going lower. I'm just still sticking to bear stance as much as this trade could easily be too early. Price has every reason to run higher right now. Every reason. Every reason. So it's gonna run higher. That's not the question. Let it stop doing its thing. I was gonna kill the trade already, but it has every reason to run higher. I'm gonna kill the trade. That's no need to even wait for this. So these highs here are the highs that were these highs were in place before the 10 o'clock news release. So I don't mind them running these highs and still sticking to bears, but I just have to be a little more patient. I'll take one more swing at it, and that'll be that. But I do like again these lows here as a target. This is highlight level in orange, the 15-minute level. So let's watch what happens there. In my mind, this level has done its job, right? On this 5-minute chart, price traded above it, drop back in it, use it as some support. I don't really care for that level again. To me, it's irrelevant at this point. Irrelevant. Colossal, get back. Doing too much, buddy. All right, there goes that run. Fine. Price is flying. Previous day's highs all of a sudden look like they get hit. They get hit. Previous day high. Very policy. This here. So slightly just added a position. I'm just testing the waters with Philly here with two contracts. See if we get any momentum lower. But I think I like this level for a short opportunity. But I need to see strong confirmation. This is me just trying to catch the high, if there's even going to be a high in today's market, right? Or the market's going to turn around. I'm trying to catch the high here. It's a strong level, in my opinion. We have 30 not making a high there, so 30 still has not run above these highs that we ran above on Nasdaq. So I'm watching to see if this gives us a shorting opportunity. Very low risk. And not I don't have a stop loss in place right now because regardless, it's such a filler position where I'm just trying to fill the market out. But the way it looks, it's like previous day's highs could easily get targeted. I can see that. I mean, Tuesday size. Yeah, previous day. Momentum moving it. Price has shown no bearish momentum yet. Nothing. Right, it looks like it just wants to take out previous day's highs. Looking at this on a 1 hour chart. And this level here easily get swept. Let me see what S&P is doing though. Yeah, looks like S&P wants to do the same. These markets can't overstay your this melt up. You can't overstay your shorts, man. Gotta make it just printing money and dump into this thing. Every shorts, every opportunity short is like met with some crazy buying. Actually, I bought the market down here last night and enjoyed the move back to these highs. So that was a good trade. But man, it was gonna pull back, which no one knows, right? It was gonna pull back, keep going. I was down here. It's been a nice target area up here. I was expecting some shorts to kick in. I still am, but we need to have a drastic push, and the way the markets look right now, these highs, and then honestly, from a daily perspective, there's really nothing that indicates bearishness. We had this daily level. Price clearly created a swing low, ran away, came back to it, tapped it, pushing away. So easy to just make new all-time highs. 4 hour level. I mean, again, these highs can easily get tagged, all of them. If you start drawing, let me just draw this right here. I don't want to overanalyze, but yeah, it's like a nice little trend line that price might just blow through. So if we get above this 4 hour level here, which again to me looks like price just wants to go higher at this point. Like it's created a nice, even on the 4 hour chart, it's created a nice swing low here. I'm gonna call it short term swing low. It's created a nice one. And then we have these highs that are just easy to get tagged. So the only barrier for shorts or bears is this 4 hour level here in blue, but this looks like it's ready to keep making higher highs. They are printing money in these markets. They are printing. See, just ran right above. Yeah, this is telling me they just want to keep pushing this market higher. But I can't be a buyer right now just because we are below, we are above 930 opening price. So I just want to buy it still. Let's even get any momentum, guys. Let's see. I mean, any momentum. Where the bear is at? Nowhere to be found. If we're to get momentum, the shorts will ideally make sense below this 15-minute level. And we can just probably take this lower if, again, we get momentum here. But it might just want to straight shot this shit to previous day's highs and just keep pushing. Who knows? At this point, I'm not seeing any bear in sight. There's just literally no momentum. Zero. There's nothing here. I'm just gonna even close out this sells because I don't really feel nothing like it. There's no bearish momentum. Nothing's kicking in. I don't. I just see it's going higher and higher. These markets are strongly bullish. It's crazy. But the 4 hour structure is in place. That's the thing. 4 hour structure in place keep going higher. These markets don't even. I would have loved for them to take out this pool liquidity. But all they did, if you really look at it from regular trading hours, I mean, I just wanted too much because it did take out PM's low. So if you look here, this run here did take out this PM session's low yesterday. So PM session starts at 1 o'clock or 13 o'clock New York time. So it did take out that low, but it left 9:30, which is yesterday's low, totally in place. But it took out the PM lows. So I guess this was good enough damage for them to then turn the markets around and go higher. So again, if I was a bull back here, this would have been a nice buy if I was looking at it that way. But I wanted to see some shorts, but this was a nice buy here. This is level I was calling out as a 1 minute order block that could push price higher. I wanted to just see a sweep above here, but they had other plans, I guess, keep pushing this higher. So this from here to here was a nice 100-point move from this order block here all the way up here. Nice 100-point move, previous day's highs. So the entry would have been, I guess, over here. That opened the entry, but came to market expecting bulls bearishness to kick place. I still don't like this lows here. I really don't. But bullish market, guys. Bullish market. Bullish market. Bullish. Can only imagine if I was trading US 30 right now. US 30 is not moving higher, just stagnant. I'll be annoyed. Exactly what I dealt with. Um, Yesterday with Nasdaq, where I was expecting sell-offs because Nasdaq's a weaker one initially, and then only Nasdaq out of nowhere, S&P US 30 start dropping. Nasdaq's not dropping. Same with 30 right now. It's like the whole market's buying. 30 just wants to stay there. I would be super annoyed. Well, funny enough, actually 30 took out previous day's highs. Already did that. Just realized that shit. 30 actually took out previous day's highs. Interesting. 30. I'm watching 30 right now. You can keep your eyes on Nasdaq, but I want to see if 30 can drop here. 30, 30. Hmm. I like how Nasdaq just stalled here. It didn't take out previous day's highs. I would love to see that get ran out. But still playing. Hmm. I want to see if 30 wants to offer any shorts here. I'm just gonna eventually follow Nasdaq's lead. probably drop in the next, 5, 7 minutes. The market's not really doing nothing. I'm watching 30 shorts right now. If you look at 30, there's a 1 minute level. I am watching to see if it wants to deliver price. Because the scope of the topic is Nasdaq, I'm leaving it at Nasdaq. But I would have loved if Nasdaq had already ran out these highs. Nasdaq just plain now at this point. It's like you're right at the highs. All right, you're right there. You might as well just go snatch it. Mm-hmm. No sign of bearishness. Okay. All right. At this point, guys, I'm just gonna close out the live. There's nothing here to really watch. Nasdaq already ran higher. Expectations are still, they run out these highs, and then we'll go into tomorrow seeing if we want to continue that bullish momentum to just make new all-time highs. But there's nothing else to watch at this point. So at this point, talk perhaps tomorrow, later today. All right. Let me close one out.